How can I concatenate two arrays in Java? Introduction. In Java, arrays have a fixed size. That means, once created, their length cannot be changed. Example: int.arr equals new int 3. So, if you want to combine two arrays, you cannot append directly. Instead, you must create a new array, copy elements from both arrays into it. A common Java interview question is, how do you concatenate two arrays in Java? This topic explains what array concatenation means, different ways to combine arrays, built-in Java utilities, performance considerations, best practices, common mistakes. What does concatenation mean? Array concatenation means joining two arrays into one new array. Example: 1, 2 plus 3, 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Method 1. Using System.arraycopy. Fastest manual way. Example: int a equals 1, 2. Int b equals 3, 4. Int result equals new int a length plus b length. System.arraycopy a 0 result 0 a length. System.arraycopy b 0 result a length b length. Why this is fast? Native JVM implementation. Optimized memory copy. No overhead of streams or boxing. Output: 1, 2, 3, 4. Method 2. Using arrays copy of import java.util.arrays. Int a equals 1, 2. Int b equals 3, 4. Int add result equals arrays.copy of a.length plus b.length. System array copy b 0 result a length b length. Why use this? Simpler initial copy, still efficient. Method 3. Using Java streams, modern approach. Import java.util.stream.instream. Int a equals 1, 2. Int b equals 3, 4. Int result equals int stream concat. Int stream of a, int stream of b, to array. Pros and cons. Cap, readable. Slightly slower than array copy. Method 4. Using ArrayList, flexible approach. Import java.util.sk. Int a equals 1, 2. Int b equals 3, 4. List, integer, list, equals new ArrayList. 4, int I, in a, list.add. 4. Int I, a, b, list, add I. Int I result equals list.stream, map to int I, to array. When dynamic operations are needed, not just concatenation. Method 5. Using Guava library, external. Import com Google common primitives, ints. Int t result equals ints.concat a.b. Best method comparison. Method speed, simplicity, System.arraycopy. ***, medium. Arrays.copyof plus array copy, ***, easy. Streams. Very easy. ArrayList, flexible. Guava, clean. Most efficient Java native solution. System.arraycopy. Why arrays are fixed size? Java arrays are: check memory efficient, check fast access, check fixed structure. So concatenation always means creating a new array. Internal concept array A plus array B, create new array, copy A, copy B, performance considerations. Best performance. System.arraycopy. Worst performance. Repeated manual loops with overhead, not unnecessary boxing, unboxing. Common mistakes. 1. Trying to resize arrays. A equals A plus B. Not valid. 2. Using loops without pre-allocating. Inefficient if not planned properly. 3. Confusing arrays with lists. Arrays are fixed size, unlike lists. Edge cases. 1. Empty arrays plus 1, 2. Result: 1, 2, 2. Null arrays. Must handle. If A equals null or B equals null. Real-world use cases. Merging API responses. Combining dataset chunks. File processing. Stream aggregation. batch operations. Simple definition array concatenation. The process of combining two arrays into a new array containing all elements. Final summary. To concatenate arrays in Java, you must create a new array and copy elements from both arrays. Best method. System.arraycopy A0 result 0 A.length. System.arraycopy B0 result A.length B length. Alternative methods include check streams, check arrays copy of, check ArrayList conversion. Key idea. Java arrays are fixed size, so concatenation always involves creating a new array and copying elements.